This old guy DIY video has to do with a 2005 Tahoe. I was helping a friend work on the thing. He went to start it and the car would crank and turn over but would not fire. So he said that the security light had been flashing a little bit for the previous 2 days and we thought there was a security issue. But he also noticed that the key fob buttons did not cause anything to happen, and if you hit the lock and unlock buttons on the door, those also did not work. So after spending some time on the internet, I found a couple of solutions, and I tried two things, one right after the other, and one of the two fixed it. So the first thing is we did the key relearn process, where you turn the car on, you try to make the thing crank, and then you stop when it won't start, and you let it sit for 11 minutes. Then you turn the key off, wait 5 seconds, turn it back on. You do that 3 times. So after 30 minutes, the car still would not start, but the security light was not flashing. So that caused me to believe maybe it wasn't a security problem. So reading through a bunch of random stuff on the internet, the plan that they told me is take the key, put it in the lock, just turn it to the right, turn it to the left, turn it back to the right, turn it back to the left, and then they said hit the panic button on the remote, hold that thing down for 5 seconds, and then try to start the car. Now the car starts, no dummy lights, everything is happy. And the key fob works. I don't know if you can hear that. And the buttons on the door work. So the other thing I did at that particular time, since this is a sound vehicle and he cranks out like 160 decibels sometimes, we thought it might be vibration related. And I read somewhere else on the internet that there's a switch on the brake pedal that may cause a problem with the vehicle not starting because the computer has some issue. So after I did the little key lock thing, actually before I did the key lock thing, I hopped in the vehicle and I just pumped the brake 2 or 3 times just to kind of knock it loose, so if there was a stuck switch, the switch would break free. So anyway, my technique was I pumped the brake 3 times, I came over here, I put the key in the lock, I went right, left, twice, then I held the panic button down for 5 seconds, and then I went to start the car and the thing took off. So I'm not sure exactly how I fixed it, but a car that yesterday would crank but would not catch and fire, now starts, runs, does everything it's supposed to do. So I hope this little deal helps you out. Have a nice day.